Hello aspirant! If you're targeting to crack BHEL ETHR 2022 exam, we are here with perfect preparation strategy for 40 days to crack BHEL ETHR 2022 exam. We have limited days to exam and syllabus is vast, so we need to manage time because we have to refer study materials and practice test series. So 40 days are splitted as per priority. Here is the plan for preparation. First 10 days for reading study materials and test series of theory part of subject knowledge other than labor laws and labor code. Here you need to read one topic first, then you need to attempt the same topic test. For example, if you read the study materials of Principle of Management, then same test series need to be attempted. Follow the same pattern for all topics or acts. Another 10 days for labor laws and labor code, 5 days for section 2 reasoning, 2 days for section 3 GK, 5 days for section 4 general English, 5 days for model mock practice, rest of the days for revision. Try to practice all model mocks as many times as possible. Previous year solved paper to understand the question pattern so you can attempt at very beginning or before model mocks. All the very best for your success. For inquiries, please call or WhatsApp on given contact number.